Welcome to Lesson 2.4. Now that you have mastered the theory of the 5 elements and their cycles, we face a very practical challenge. How do we actually see these elements in a modern home? Many students fall into the trap of thinking that to practice feng shui, they need to decorate their house like a Chinese restaurant, filled with red lanterns, bamboo flutes, and golden dragons. This is absolutely false. Classical feng shui is about energy, not culture. You can have a hyper-modern, minimalist apartment in New York or a rustic farmhouse in Texas, and both are composed of the exact same 5 elemental forces. Today, we are going to train your eyes to see the matrix. We are going to learn how to decode every object in a room, from a sofa to a lamp, into its elemental signature based on shape, color, and material. Let us begin with the wood element. In nature, wood grows upward. Therefore, in modern decor, wood is represented by tall, thin, vertical shapes. Think of a skyscraper, a tall rectangular book cabinet, or a column. If you have wallpaper with vertical stripes, that is wood energy. In terms of material, it is obviously wood itself, but also bamboo, wicker, and living plants. The colors are the greens of the forest, so a tall rectangular green bookcase is the ultimate expression of wood. Next, we have fire. Fire is hard to capture in physical furniture because its nature is to be formless. However, in shape, fire is represented by the triangle or the pyramid. You might see this in art patterns or angular, sharp lampshades. But the most potent form of fire in a modern home is lighting. Every lamp, every candle, and every fireplace is pure fire. Additionally, electronics like your television and computer are considered fire because they generate heat and light. In materials, animal products like leather and wool are also attributed to fire. The colors are the spectrum of flame red, orange, purple, and bright pink. From the ash of fire, we get earth. Earth is the element of stability. Its shape is the square or the rectangle that is lying flat, like a plateau. Low flat coffee tables, square ottomans, and cubic shelving units are earth. The material is anything that comes from the soil: ceramics, clay, bricks, tiles, and stone. A heavy stone countertop is strong earth energy. The colors are the earth tones: beige, sand, terracotta, and yellow. Moving on to metal. Metal is the energy of concentration. Its shape is the circle, the oval, or the arch, a round dining table, a circular mirror, or a dome-like fixture brings metal energy. In modern design, the sleek, clean lines of minimalism often carry a metal signature. The materials are, of course, gold, silver, copper, and steel, but also hard plastics and hardware. The colors are white, gray, and metallics. If you walk into a room that is all white with chrome finishes, you are standing in a metal chamber. Finally, we have water. Water has no fixed shape. It takes the shape of its container. Therefore, in design, water is represented by undefined, wavy, or flowing shapes. Think of an abstract rug with a swirling pattern or a chair with fluid organic curves. The materials are glass and mirrors because, like water, they reflect light and create depth. A glass dining table is actually a water element, not earth. The colors are black, which represents the deep ocean, and dark blue. So, a black leather sofa is a mix, but predominantly carries the deep, absorbing energy of water. As you look around your room right now, I want you to stop seeing a chair or a desk. Start seeing the elements. Is that table a square earth shape or a round metal shape? Is that rug a green wood color or a red fire color? Once you can decode the furniture, you can begin to balance the equation. In our next lesson, we will move to the final piece of the puzzle, Lesson 2.5, where we will discuss the Bagua map and how to overlay these elements onto your floor plan.